Welcome back to Beautyistic, where comfort and style meet the demands of your daily routine. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that promises to keep you comfortable, whether you're working in a salon, clinic, or even at home. Let's dive into the Master Massage Ergonomic Saddle Stool, a hydraulic swivel rolling chair designed to offer superior comfort and support. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. This ergonomic saddle stool isn't just any rolling chair. With a strong support capacity of up to 550 pounds, it's built to provide lasting comfort, even for those long hours in the salon or at the office. Its sleek, stylish black design is complemented by a 2.5-inch thick molded foam seat that promises long-lasting support. Unlike other rolling stools that rely on glued or thin foam, this chair ensures durability and comfort over time. Whether you're in a dentist's office, a tattoo parlor, or working at a desk, you need a chair that can handle it all without leaving you sore. This one does just that. Now, let's talk about the comfort factor. The seat is ergonomically designed to relieve back strain, which is a must-have feature if you're on your feet all day. I personally tried this out in both my home office and a local salon environment. I noticed an immediate difference. No more backaches from sitting for extended periods. The molded foam really lives up to its promise, and I could tell it was supporting my posture while also feeling cushioned. One of the standout features is the smooth, easy mobility. The polyurethane wheels glide effortlessly across both hardwood floors and carpets, which is such a relief. If you're someone who's always on the move, whether you're rolling around your workspace or transitioning between rooms, the ease of movement here makes it a dream. The chair doesn't feel sticky or heavy. Instead, it offers fluid movement, which can make your daily tasks much more efficient. Now, the material itself, premium PU upholstery, might seem like a simple detail, but it's essential for ensuring longevity and hygiene. This chair is hypoallergenic, CFC-free, oil-resistant, and waterproof. Whether you're dealing with spills, oils, or just daily wear and tear, it holds up. Plus, the black color adds a sleek, professional touch that blends seamlessly with various environments, from clinics to beauty salons. What about adjustability? This stool features a height range between 20.5 inches and 27.5, giving you plenty of room to customize it to your exact preference. Whether you're using it for tasks that require precision or just want to sink into it for a longer session, it adapts. This level of customization is crucial for ensuring that your posture remains supported no matter what job you're tackling. Let's break it down. Pros: excellent support. With a weight capacity of 550 pounds, it's sturdy and reliable. Superior comfort. The thick molded foam is a major plus. No sinking or discomfort, even after hours of use. Smooth mobility. The polyurethane wheels make it easy to glide around without feeling sticky or heavy. Durability. The premium PU upholstery is not only aesthetically appealing, but also incredibly functional, resisting oils and water. Adjustable height. You can fine-tune it for the perfect fit, whether you're using it at a workstation or in a beauty salon. Cons. Initial setup. Some users have mentioned that it requires a bit of effort to assemble, but nothing too difficult. Size. Depending on your body type or the tasks at hand, the saddle-style seating may not feel like a perfect fit for everyone. It's worth trying it out first. Now, what about value for money? This stool is priced in a way that reflects its quality and features. When you compare it to other stools in the market, especially ones that claim similar ergonomic benefits, this one holds its ground. The build quality, materials used, and overall comfort make it worth the investment, especially for professionals who will be using it for extended periods. In terms of alternatives, you could find cheaper stools that perform similarly, but they often compromise on materials or comfort. If you're looking for something with the same functionality but at a lower price point, there are options, but they might not last as long or provide the same level of ergonomic support. In conclusion, the Master Massage Ergonomic Saddle Stool stands out for its thoughtful design and quality construction. It delivers on its promises of comfort and support, particularly for professionals who need a reliable, long-lasting solution for their work environment. If you're in need of a chair that adapts to your needs, whether you're a tattoo artist, a dentist, or someone who spends long hours working at a desk, I think you'll find this stool a worthy investment. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.